everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session, that is session number 3 of chapter number 5, Microsoft Word 2007, what we are going to learn? See, in today's session, we are going to see many of the new things, that is steps how to create a new document. वर्ड में आपको न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट आप कैसे क्रिएट करोगे, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड वी आर गोइंग टू सी द टाइपिंग ऑफ टेक्स्ट. देन जो आपने जो पैराग्राफ और टेक्स्ट जो भी आपने टाइप किया है, आप उसे फॉर्मेट कैसे करोगे, उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग है, एवरीथिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. बट before starting to that part, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned till now. So we have learned about MS Word, that it is one of the most popular program used for word processing, right? Word processing के लिए word MS Word is the most popular program and documentation purpose. Then MS Word is a part of MS Office. MS Word जो है वो MS Office का ही part है, which includes MS Office includes many more programs apart from MS Word, that is 4 main components, that is MS Excel, MS Present, PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Word. There are many such parts of MS Office, that is Microsoft Office. The short form of Microsoft is MS, right? Then however we will limit ourselves to Microsoft Word to this chapter. इस chapter में हम सिर्फ Microsoft Word के बारे में ही भी लर्न करेंगे और कुछ उसके रिलेटेड की इंफॉर्मेशन हम Microsoft Word की इंफॉर्मेशन हम लेंगे. Now Microsoft Word is an excellent software among any of the word processing software. It is one of the most excellent software, Microsoft Word, in which it only allows to type text. ये हमें टेक्स्ट टाइप करने के लिए लेटर्स, स्टोरीज और वो सब टाइप करने की परमिशन देता है, एंड टू फॉर्मेट एवरीथिंग एंड to make it look attractive and everything. In Microsoft Word you can do all these things. Then afterward, what are the features of Microsoft Word? That it allows you to create a document, to save it and print any number of copies you want. And it allows you to change the font style and size through artistic letters. वो font style and size को भी change करने के लिए आपको बोलता है. Then afterwards, spelling and grammar mistakes जो है can be checked and corrected instantly. इंस्टेंटली आपकी अगर स्पेलिंग और ग्रामर मिस्टेक है तो वो वहाँ पे चेक हो जाती है बाय टाइपिंग ओनली. देन आफ्टरवर्ड यू कैन इंसर्ट पिक्चर्स एंड इमेजेस थ्रू क्लिप आर्ट्स एंड अदर एप्लीकेशंस. देन यू कैन इंसर्ट डेटा इन द टेबल फॉर्मेट. आप जो टाइम टेबल देखते हो वो ऐसे टेबल फॉर्मेट में आप भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हो उसमें. देन MS Word allows you to enhance the look of the document. आपके जो डॉक्यूमेंट का लुक कैसा दिखना चाहिए, आपको साइड में पेज बॉर्डर चाहिए, इट लुक्स अट्रैक्टिव विद डिफरेंट फॉन्ट्स, वर्ड आर्ट, वो कैसे सबका यूज है वो भी आपको MS Word में आपको दिखाया जाएगा. देन by using various borders and shading, then so these are the things in which you can do many things in MS Word, right? So you have already learned how to create. आपने वो सीख लिया कि क्रिएट कैसे करना है, ओपन एंड सेव डॉक्यूमेंट इन MS Word में आपको कैसे करना है. So now let's do a quick recap, and now we are moving forward. Then what are the steps to open Microsoft Word? Let us revise that. So first you need to click on the start button, then click all program option. In that click the Microsoft Office, and in that Microsoft Office click MS Word 2007. Okay, so your Microsoft window appears. Now in that we have learned the components of MS Word. So what are the components of MS Word? So that is the very first is the Office button. The very first component is Office button. The Office button, right? Now the Office button is seen on the topmost लेफ्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द विंडो को टॉप मोस्ट लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में आपको ऑफिस बटन दिया जाएगा। मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको सभी चीज़ें थ्रू वीडियो के थ्रू मैंने आपको बताई थी। सो इफ यू फॉरगॉट देन यू कैन गो through the previous video so that you will come to know everything. It includes options similar to the option on file. उसमें सभी फाइल मेनू में जैसे ऑप्शन आते हैं उसमें भी इसी तरह के ऑप्शंस आते हैं वर्जन्स ऑफ फाइल मेनू in the earlier versions on Microsoft. Then after comes title bar. Right? So title bar is the topmost bar of the MS Word. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे टाइटल लिखा है वैसे भी आपके जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड ओपन करोगे आप जो इसका टाइटल दोगे वो टाइटल वहाँ पे बीच में आपको दिखाई देगा इन द टॉप मोस्ट ऑफ द राइट डिस्प्ले। देन कम्स रिबन। सो रिबन इज लोकेटेड एट द टॉप ऑफ वर्ड विंडो एंड हैज वेरियस टूल्स यूज्ड टू एडजस्ट अपीयरेंस। रिबन मींस जो आप जहाँ से भी आप अपना टेक्स्ट की साइज है, फॉन्ट साइज है, जो भी आप चेंजेस करते हो, फॉर्मेटिंग ऑफ टेक्स्ट, वो सभी चीज़ें ये रिबन में से होती है। देन कम्स क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार। क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में कई तरह के ऑप्शंस आते हैं। अगर आपको वो ऑप्शंस अपनी डिस्प्ले विंडो में ऊपर ही आपको दिखनी चाहिए तो आप सिलेक्ट करके उसे वहाँ पे आप रख सकते हो। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज क्विक एक्सेस। आप उसे इजीली क्विकली एक्सेस कर सकते हो। फॉर दैट रीजन इट इज सेव फॉर क्विक एक्सेस एंड यू कैन ऐड एंड रिमूव दैट कमांड्स एज एंड व्हेन इट इज नेसेसरी। इफ यू डोंट वांट देन यू कैन रिमूव दैट थिंग। देन कम्स रूलर बार टू एडजस्ट द size of the page. The ruler bar is used. Then comes status bar. So the status bar displays information about the currently active जो आपका currently active document चल रहा है उसके बारे में आपका status क्या है, उसमें आपके पेज नंबर्स, आपने कितने वर्ड्स लिखे हैं, वो सभी आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देता है। That it shows the status of the document. Then comes scroll bar कि आपको पेज अप एंड डाउन जो कर रहे हो that is done with the help of the scroll bar. Like साइड में लाइन होती है जिस एरो को मूव करते आप, राइट? So that is the scroll bar. And then comes the workspace. Workspace means the blank white space in which you are writing anything. That is the workspace. So these are the components of MS Word which we have already studied in our previous session. Okay, so till now we have seen over here. Now in the previous session what else we have learned? We have learned about typing a text, how to create a new document, then paragraph, formatting a text. In formatting what we have learned? How to make it bold, italic and underline of our texting. Then also we have also learned the capitalizing of text after once typed, how you can capitalize your text. अपने text को capital letter में कैसे लिखोगे? All these things we have seen, right? So now in this session we are going to see that how to change the font style. आपने जो लिखा है उसकी font style, उस different fonts आप कैसे change करोगे? Then after font की size, कितनी size आपको रखनी है, बड़ी छोटी कितनी आपको रखनी है, that we are going to see. Then afterwards to change the font color, यहाँ पे मैंने black से लिखा है, आपको अगर दूसरे color से लिखना है तो वो आप कैसे करोगे? Then afterwards if I am typing some of the points तो उसके आप 1 2 3 numbers या फिर bullets, कोई dots या ऐसा कुछ arrow वो आप कैसे दोगे, right? Then after saving a document, then opening an existing document, अगर आपका जो पुराना डॉक्यूमेंट है उसे आप ओपन कैसे करोगे? So these are the things which we are going to see in today's video. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start with our video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now today in this session we are going to learn that how to change font style, font size, font color and bullets and numbering, how to change that, and saving a document. So these are the things we are going to see in today's session. But before starting to that, let's recap that what we have learned in our previous session, कि हमने हमारे previous session में क्या learn किया है. Let's have a quick recap of that. So first we have learned that how to open a new document, how to create a new document, whatever the steps of that. So the steps to create a new document were: open MS Word, then click on the Office button, click the new option, then a new dialog box appears, then select blank document and then click OK. So the new document appears on your screen. Then afterwards we have seen that typing a text and paragraph, what is the difference between text and paragraph. So when you are typing a text, that means once you write a word, then you will press the enter key. So from the new line you will start writing, and paragraph means you are just continuously typing without pressing the enter key. So this is the difference between typing a text and a paragraph. Then afterward we have seen that how to format a paragraph. What are the steps of formatting? So to format a paragraph, first of all we need to select the text. टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट किए बिना हम किसी भी उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते. बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग वी कैन नॉट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस टू दैट टेक्स्ट. सो इट इज़ कंपल्सरी टू सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट first to make any kind of changes in that. So just now, for now I am selecting water bodies because I want to make this highlighted and attracted. This word water bodies, I want to make this word bold, italic and underline. So what are the steps? You can first select the text, then you can see over here in the ribbon that B is written, that is bold option. So click on that. So you can now see this text appears bold. Then click on italic. So now you can see this becomes italic, and underline. So the text is underlined. So you just have to select the text, and if you want it bold, click on bold, italic or underline, whatever you want. You just need to click on that option. After doing this, now if you want to make any text capital, अगर आपको यहाँ पे ये मैंने water bodies लिखा है, उसको मुझे वो capital में चाहिए, then what will I do? I will not erase this and write it again. So for that, first of all you need to select. Then in the ribbon you can see here change case option is there. Uppercase A and lowercase a is written, that is change case. So click on that option. Now you can see the box appears. There are many options given over here. Capitalize each word means आपके word का पहला letter, जितने भी words है उसका पहला जो letter है वो capital हो जाएगा. Now lower case means सभी letters lower case में आ जाएंगे. Upper case means every letters will be in the upper case. So I want upper case. So अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि water bodies पूरा का पूरा जो है वो अब upper case में आ गया capital letters में, right? So these were the steps and these were the things which we have learned in our previous session. Now in this session we are going to start with how to change font style. So for that you need to open the file as we have already opened. Now first of all select the title, as I have already selected over here water bodies. Now click on the font option. So font option is over here. You can see over here that is written Calibri body. That is a type of a font, right? Then afterward choose a font style. Here you can see this arrow. You can click on this arrow so that you can see here many kinds of font style are there, many types. You can see there are many types of fonts. Now you can select any of the font you want. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी font select कर सकते हो, आपको जैसे भी fonts चाहिए वो, right? So for now I am selecting this Arial black. So I am selecting on that. Now you can see the font changes. So alternatively you can select a font style that makes the title look attractive. I have selected over here this font. Then For river, I want to select another font. So click on the river, then go to the font style option and then change the font. Whatever the font you want to select, then select it. See, I have selected and changed the font. Now for another one, so you can make any kind of changes to any of the letter as the font as you want. आपको जैसे भी font चाहिए आप उसे select करके change कर सकते हो. Then afterward changing the font size. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि water bodies is written in somewhat bigger size. After then river is written in the smaller size. So now I want to make this water bodies looks more bigger. मुझे ये लिखा हुआ है उससे भी ज़्यादा थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए. So I want to make the changes in the size of the font. इसकी मुझे size change करनी पड़ेगी fonts की. So how will we change this size? So you need to select on the font size. Here you can see the 11 is written. So that is the option of the font size and the arrow is given. And you can see here many sizes are there. So you can see that changes as I am keeping the arrow cursor on the size, you can see the changes on the sizes of the font, right? For now I am keeping 36. So the water bodies, you can see now how it looks. Now it is in the bigger font. Okay. So in this way you can change the font size. Then afterward changing font color. So change the color of the title. First step is to click on the font color option. So first of all you need to select water bodies. Then font color option is given over here. See the cursor font color. So select on that. Here you can see many of the colors, right? I am keeping this color blue. So now water bodies, the font color changes to blue from black. जो हमारे font का color है वो black में से अब blue color का हो गया है. You can see over here, right? So in this way you can change font style, font size and font color. Now you can see that after I want to give bullets and numbering to this. अब मुझे numbering और bullets भी देने हैं. That is arrow and everything. So in the ribbon option, first of all I need to select the text. Here the title I have given. Now in the river I want to give arrow or something, any kind of bullets, or else I want to give the number. So in the ribbon option, over here you can see dots are there and over here you can see 1 2 3 is written. So this is the option of bullets and this is the option of numbering. So if you want to give numbering, then here you can click on the arrow and many kinds of options you can see over here, that which kind of numbering you want. 1 2 3 in Roman numbers, 1 2 3 ABC, what you want to select, that it's up to you. So here I am selecting 1 2 3. So now over here before river you can see 1 is written, right? Then afterwards over here the definition I have written. तो यहाँ पे definition पे मुझे bullets चाहिए. So I'll click on the bullets and you can see many bullets appears over here. So I'm selecting this arrow. Now you can see the arrow comes, right? So in this way you can give bullets and numbering to your text. आप ऐसे ही आपके text को bullets and numbering change कर सकते हो. Now after completing everything, once you write everything, right, then you need to save the document. आपको document अपना जो है वो save तो करना पड़ेगा. Then what are the steps to save the documents? So for that you need to click on the office button or the file option you can select. Then click the save as option. Then click on the save as. Then afterwards select the location. आपको लोकेशन यहाँ से सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा कि आपको कहाँ पे सेव करना है. So I am selecting E drive and my folder is there. So I am selecting over here. I have selected the location. Then type the file name. The file name is already I have given, that is water bodies. Okay. After selecting that, click on the save button so your document is saved in that particular location. Okay. So these were the steps to save a document, and in today's session we have learned that how to change font style, size, color, and how to give bullets and numbering. So this was all about today's session. So I hope that you have seen the video and you have understood that how to change font color, font size, font style, bullets and numbering, and how to save a document. All these things have been understood by you. I hope कि तुमने लोगों ने समझाई गई हो से. And now you can practice it at home also. आप लोग घर पे भी इसकी practice कर सकते हो. If you have a computer or a laptop at home, then you can practice everything what I am teaching you right now at home. Okay, so this was all about today's session, and as a part of revision, I am going to give you some of the questions in the description section. And if you know the answer, then give your answer in the comment section. आपको अगर आंसर पता है तो आप अपना आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे दे सकते हो, ठीक है? And still, if you have any doubt, then just go through the video again, or else you can ask your doubts in the comment section. आप मुझे अपने doubts comment section में भी पूछ सकते हो. Okay, students? And I'm going to send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book. So I hope that you have understood everything. So have a good day. Till